In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Champions League tickets online. Now we're going to head over to footballticketnet.com. This is a platform or one of the platforms that offers to sell Champions League tickets. Now from here, just hover your mouse on tournaments, then click on Champions League. Now from here, browse upcoming fixtures, find the match you want, then click on View Tickets. Next, you'll see available tickets posted by sellers. Select the seat category plus the number of tickets that you want and check seat information carefully. Once done, just press Buy Now. From here, provide your delivery or e-ticket info, then pay using the site's secure checkout. Football TicketNet claims to support safe transactions and order guarantees. Now, once the payment is done, you should receive either a digital or physical ticket before match day. The site says they guarantee delivery in time if you give correct details. Just a reminder that because this is resale, ticket prices may be higher than face value. Some buyers report problems like invalid tickets or last minute cancellations. Treat this as a last resort option, especially for big matches. On match day, make sure that you bring a valid ID and maybe print or screenshot your ticket digitally or physically. And if something goes wrong, have a backup plan and be ready to accept the risk. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!